Mamma mia! We're coming to the site. It's me.
It's crazy what the heat can do with people. It's crazy. So we're going back to the site again, day 6. And it's pretty hot out here. It's like 1,000 degrees or something. People are just melting, becoming puddles of human blobs or something, I don't know. But yeah, we have to continue building, and let's see how the building looks right now. Hey, how you doing?
Good. It's warm. But okay.
That's right, how are you doing?
Good.
I'm doing great, actually. Yeah.
So what's happening is now is that a wall element will be placed on its right place on our building, and that's with the help of a huge crane, and with the help of some other people it will eventually go in its right place. Shift 2 is now preparing for the briefing about what has to be done today, and well, everyone is going inside.
Today we're raising the flag.
We're raising the flag?
Yes,
We're raising the flag. Nice.
we're raising the flag.
We're raising the flag. Let's do it! Whoa.
Hold your breath, all the moves we're making. Oh boy, you got it.
And of course, after a long day of hard working, we also get to treat ourselves a bit. So tonight we have a special occasion and we're going to barbecue with the whole team, so it's very nice.